Good morning, everyone. My name is Sonia Torres, and today I would like to talk about something that happened to all of this life. And I am referring to those talking situations or moments that can happen in our life, more so with your family, because touching situations can occur at any time. You can have the best day of your life, the most beautiful day, but negative moment can happen and any moment that turn the most beautiful into the most horrible. In can talk about this topic since the situation had happened to me. I can say that among the most difficult painful situation for me and my relative was the death of my mother 4 years old. This was due to a serious illness which was deteriorating her body slowly. And that moment and though that my life had no meaning that my world was collapsing but with the passing of the months. And yet I have been assembling the is fairly the picture and also my relative day by day I dance good for the wonderful babe which is gave me a mother when my son Matthias was born I was able to finish and pitch a guy and every day I feel like a full woman and proud of my son. These two situations were the most significant moments in my life. The day my mother died and the birth of my son. So at the head of every moment there is a good moment that helps you overcome adversity, be better and stronger day by day.